We use our teeth every day and not just for eating. Find out more about teeth and how animals and people use them. Then do numbers 12 through 22. Teeth are the hardest and longest lasting part of our body, so they're obviously important to our survival. Because we eat a variety of foods, we have different kinds of teeth for different uses. Some human teeth are for tearing, some are for chiseling, and others help us grind food. But are teeth only for chewing food? Teeth also help us to speak properly and clearly. Count aloud quietly from 1 to 4. What happened when you said 3? You used your tongue and teeth to make the beginning sound. Just as you did when you say 4, except this time you use the teeth and bottom lip. Your teeth were vital to forming the words correctly. Animals use their teeth for a multiplicity of tasks. Like people, they use them to eat. Some animals have long, sharp teeth that help them catch and hold on to prey. Animals can also use their teeth to build homes, carry objects, and defend themselves. Unlike people, animals often use their teeth as tools. Animals that eat plants, such as deer and horses, have teeth in the front of their mouths that they use to saw through plants. They have large, flat teeth in the back for grinding and mashing the leaves. Snakes' teeth slant backwards, making it easier for them to swallow their prey. Some snakes have fangs with holes in them through which venom drips when they're embedded in prey. A walrus's front teeth grow very long, allowing the animal to dig for shellfish and protect itself from other animals. A walrus can also use its long teeth as hooks when climbing on ice. An elephant tusks are also teeth. They are used for protection, digging, and breaking branches. People have 2 sets of teeth. The baby teeth are eventually replaced by permanent teeth. Some animals have sets of teeth. African elephants go through 6 sets of teeth in a lifetime. If a shark loses one of its razor-sharp teeth, a new one quickly replaces it. Rodents, such as beavers, have 1 set of teeth that is constantly growing. Beavers use their teeth to chew through the trees that they use to build dams and lodges. A beaver's teeth can grow 4 feet in a single year, so it's good they're constantly chewing. Over time, living things go through changes or adaptations to help them survive in their surroundings. Because lions have to hunt for their food, their front teeth are very sharp and up to 2 inches long. On the other hand, animals that only eat insects, such as some types of bats, have special teeth that can crunch through the insect's hard shell. Teeth are one of nature's many marvels. Remember, as you're reading through this, if you need to stop because you're answering a question, make sure you press the pause button. What is the author's main purpose for writing this selection? To demonstrate how nature works, to convince readers to study animals, to explain how animals' teeth differ from humans' teeth, to encourage readers to care for their teeth. The title of this selection is Take a Bite of This. Which of the following would be a best alternative title? Don't forget to brush, how teeth are used, what dentists do, how animals survive. Which of the following resources could be used to check for this statement of fact? Teeth also help us to speak properly. Dictionary, atlas, thesaurus, encyclopedia. What is one difference between people's teeth and animals' teeth? People have fewer sets of teeth than any animal does. People use their teeth to talk as well as eat. People's teeth are somewhat harder than animals' teeth. People's teeth last much longer than animals' teeth. What helps a snake to hold and swallow its prey? Its teeth are slammed backwards. Slanted backwards. Its teeth fall out very easily. Snake teeth have holes in them. The teeth can poison its prey first. Based on the selection, which of the following is a valid generalization? Teeth have many different purposes. All living things have sharp teeth. Teeth are best used for chewing. No animals have just one set of teeth. Number 18. What is the fourth paragraph mostly about? How animals poison their prey with teeth. How animals with flat teeth eat. Why teeth called tusks are important. How teeth differ depending on their use. Which of the following is a statement of opinion? Teeth are the hardest and longest lasting part of the body. Animals can also use their teeth to build. It's a good thing beavers are constantly chewing. Animals that only eat insects have special teeth. The major adaptations that are seen in people's teeth are related to eating, fighting, protecting, talking. Number 21. According to the last paragraph, why is it important for living things to be able to adapt? Weather and other conditions are unpredictable. If they experience no change, they lose the ability to adapt. They may need several sets of teeth in a lifetime. To survive, they must respond to change in their surroundings. The following statement is a faulty generalization. All adult animals have permanent teeth. What details in this selection let you know that this generalization is false? African elephants go through several sets of adult teeth. A walrus sometimes uses its teeth as hooks in order to climb. Plant-eating animals have flat teeth for grinding leaves. Rodents' teeth are always growing.